We're going to Chicago. Cheers. I thought I was the smartest person in the world, and I put a tile, you can't really see it, there you go, on my phone. I made this cute phone chain and everything. And then Stacy reminded me that to use a tile, you have to use your phone to track it and make sounds. So I'm not gonna lose my phone. I'm gonna turn my location on, and I'm gonna lock it. And I'm really excited about I'm really excited to leave this. It was, guys, it was last night. I was packing. It was like 10:30. I just thought I
think it is strong.
What's that word? I don't know. I thought I was doing something and I wasn't. So. Hope you guys all have a happy new year, and this vlog will hopefully be out in the new year. So I'm using the new One Size blush, and I wanted to show you because I'm really excited about it. Melanie put me on, and we're gonna see what color should I use. I like this one or this one. Literally cream or powder. Oh, is that cream? You guys can still see. This is the fat ass color shade, I guess. They all have insane names.
What is it? That's what it's called?
Yes, PHAT space ASS.
Okay, that's different.
What do you mean?
It's fat with an F.
Okay, I like that. It's pretty peach. Which I feel like my liquid is really pink, so it's cute. Thank you. No, listen, it's just line up. That's a good thing. Like if I'm maybe. We made it. So what's this called? Milwaukee Ave, and we're walking to the Supreme store right now. So that's about it. No, I kind of can't buy too much because I don't really have that much space on my whatever that's called. What's that called? In my little suitcase that I brought. So we'll see. But that's all. Thank you. Yes, and then Jimmy, give me a twirl. Yes, yes. Oh, maybe that's what it was.
Snowing now?
I didn't see.
Like, you think I want to choke or something? Like, that funny.
Me personally, I'm about to take a shower, but...
Wait, who is this?
Girl.
What's happening in here? Oh, Paul?
Yeah. We went large on the shirts. That's literally all they had, and all my shirts from Supreme get dirty, so I just had to get black. Low-key. Low-key. These are sick as hell.
No, I'm not gonna pick it out.
They were labeled as a size 8, but they're really not. Like, look how low that is.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Wait, go on your nail. Nailed by Jenny.
Yes,
I don't get no it enough, I don't do it for you. Yeah, throw it because I
this
can
is the exclusive.
I swear I tried, baby, please let me. I know I'm trouble, but I hate it when you tease me.
I look too like. And yeah, the tequila is tequila egg. And the so wait, can I say it again? Okay, because I love the print, and I feel like I need a print thing, and then I found this, and I was like, okay, wait. Tequila is tequila ing, as it should, because we went through a lot for that shit. So I'm glad that it is doing what it's doing, and I
God bless
Natalie. God bless baddies.
Even if my name was Natalie Nunn. Well, no, we don't support Nikki anymore though. Edit that out too late.
You're gonna come for us.
Can you do the first one just focus?
So we gotta go.
Deadass. We're the only real bitches left because 2007.
Oh my god, I was like talking to my mom, and I was like saying something. I was telling her about the baddie shot o'clock thing. Like,
Moral of the story is we baddie shut up on occasion.
On occasion.
And
And you need to like do it.
What's the baddies never cheat. Baddies
just do what they
baddies
want.
just get what they want.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I gotta qualify you just to get a sneak peek. He paid my booking fee, just like a meet and greet. If you regret it, how
Oh yeah.
So I don't get hard.
it's supposed to come naturally.
8 minutes till everybody take a final shot and then we have to call it Uber and then take your shot.
Oh, we're calling it.
Oh, or we can walk. Whatever you guys want to do.
I will call Uber.
12-minute walk. I can still walk. And honestly, that will get.
Okay, we're gonna go. It's $6 and I feel like that is pretty reasonable. And they were walking in 12 minutes and it feels like 6 degrees outside, but I respect the hustle. We're just gonna take an Uber a little bit slower and that's fine. And that's the reality. But we already gave you a fit check. You saw us do our little pregame, so now all that's left is the club. And we honestly went there, but we went too early because they were walking. And it looked like calm, but there was like people coming at that time. You can just dance and have the best time ever. And then we also have to like turn up tomorrow, so we're gonna walk in. And it's only 10:30. Yeah. So. Mwah.
3, 2, 1.
This is actually my favorite kind of cardio. Walking around a cold city in a fur and like heeled boots. It's actually, I swear I saw this video that like it makes you burn more calories because it's like cold outside or something. And like you're on like an incline low-key. It's not really an incline here, but we're walking. I'm being slow, but we ate food. I had like an ube pie from somewhere. But I'm not really that hungry yet and I want to take pictures, get something to eat on the road before we leave. My lips look so dry, I'm sorry. It's embarrassing. I have like 3 lip glosses in my purse. There's no excuse for this. My outfit's so cute today though, so we gotta get pics. It's icy. Okay, well this is what we're doing. This is not my planned lip combo, but I'm not gonna bust my ass. Period. I'm kidding.
That's not funny. That's not funny to me.
Hey guys, so we made it to Recess. It's this new place that just opened in Indy and it looks really good. I'm excited. And how cute is this shipping container house? I would so live in something like that. And this is my outfit. I'm wearing the Supreme shirt that I got yesterday and just like black ballet flats, and I'm wearing the same jeans, so don't sue me. And oh, and how cute are these? It's like new construction. There's someone in this car. I'll show you the place though. No. Guys, we're in here. It's kind of packed a little. Don't tell anybody. They were low-key being weird. It's been a minute. It's low-key been, I'm not even trying to be like, you know, complaining because it is the grand opening and it's super packed. It's maybe been like 20 minutes.
It does take like 1 to 2 minutes to make
A matcha, and there's like at least
just to mix it.
I would say there's 40 people in here, minimum. Sorry, this one. But yeah. But we're gonna go to IKEA after this. So what time is it? And then it all went to the I can't really see. a mission, but like, how cute is this? This is why I need this. I feel like that's such a good price for this rug. I already have like a actual, but kinda.
Are they comfy?
Yes. How good does that look? Yes, yes. Hey guys. Oh my god. Okay, I'm eating sushi for lunch. It's a little late, it's like 3. But that's fine, because this looks so good. I couldn't even tell you what I ordered. I don't remember. Wait, salmon? Something about salmon. It's so busy at work today. I don't know if it's because of like things going on or wait, like beginning of the year stuff. Today is draining me and it's not over. I really just came here to sign off though. I'll be back in Chicago pretty soon as long as I can get these days off for Ellie's birthday. I really have 3 friends, guys. Like, I know a lot of people and I care about a lot of people and have like beautiful relationships with a lot of people, but I have 3 friends and Ellie is one of them. So that could be a vlog. I don't know. Shit is exhausting, I'm not gonna lie. But I really like it and I feel like I found I'm just so much happier these days. So I feel like I found a new like vibe with the vlog, you know? Like I'm really like, I could chat now. I literally was so distraught in New York for a lot of different reasons, but it really like stopped me from forming like full thoughts a little bit. But literally, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? There's always time to reinvent yourself. And a lot of times it happens after you have a lot of fun. You're like, oh. And you know what happens before you have a lot of fun? You have a terrible time. you have a really bad time. And then you have a lot of fun and then it's like, oh my god, I'm better. Like I am better. You feel me? So that's it. No bitches are winning. Okay. So. And baddies do what they want. Okay, wait,